In my opinion, what's really critical about this workshop is to highlight the invisible world that's really important for the health of our planet. And basically it is the world of cells. And I think of cells as the first responders to environmental stress. Cells are made up of biochemical reactions that are very sensitive to temperature, pH, crowding, all the things that are changing in the environment and that all the biosphere has to deal with under climate change. And so the goal of this workshop is to really highlight this microscopic world, how it may help organisms cope with climate change, but also how we can harness cell biology to help humanity be more resilient in the face of climate change. We're at a critical point in the climate crisis. I think we need to turn to all possible solutions. I think the biosphere offers potentially solutions that we can't imagine, and that the magnitude of the crisis means we need to be looking under every single rock for possible solutions. It's fantastic to have it in Portugal. It's really a gathering place that brings people from all over the world. So we have participants coming from all over Europe, from North America, Africa, South America, Asia. And I think it's very appropriate that this place that was really the opening up of the world of discovery is actually bringing us all here to think about how discovery can help make the world smaller and also healthier.